Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install Java Jdk 1.8 to your system. Let's start. First open your browser and go to Google. Type download Java Jdk 1.8 for Windows 10 64-bit. So my system is 64-bit. Now if you want to confirm, go to your desktop, click on my PC and click on properties. Now you can see device specifications, and this is my system. Go down little bit, you can see system type. So this is 64-bit. That means my system is 64-bit operating system. Now close this one. Let's navigate to Google page and search download JDK 1.8 for Windows. So now once you search, you can get the very first link, which is from www.oracle.com, Java SE Development Kit 8. Now just click on this first link. Once you click on this link, you will see the site for Oracle. Now go little bit down. Now you can see there are different set of JDK versions. So we are using Windows and my system is x64-bit. So we are going to download this one, and for Windows 8 x86, those who are using 32 bits operating system, for them this is the download link. So we are going to download the last one. So just click on link. Once you click, you will have one pop-up and you have to confirm. Like you have to, this checkbox you have to click. Once you click this checkbox, this download option will be enabled. Now click on this download. So once you click, it will take some time. So once you click, after that there is one page for Oracle. So you have to enter your email address and password. For new user, if they have not created this signing email, then for them they have to create account. So click on that account and you have to wait for some time. Now you can see this is the page where you can create your account, and you have to fill all these mandatory things. After that you have to click on create account. So for me it's already there, so I'm just going back to the main screen, and now I'm just entering my user ID and password, and I just click on sign in button. So just wait for some time, it will start downloading your Java JDK. Now you can see there is one pop-up came, and just you have to save it. So just click on save file. Now you can see this is downloading. Just wait for few seconds and it will be done. Now you can see this is completed. Now just click on the open, or you can directly open that folder. Now you can see this is the folder, this is the file, and now just right click and open. It will give you this pop-up. Click yes. Just wait for some time, it will come. Now you can see the another screen, you can see another screen, and you just need to click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, it will start installation. So now just it will currently this Java is installing under C program files Java Jdk. Just click on the next. Just wait for few minutes, it will get installed. Now you can see this is destination folder. Now it is by default installing to the program file like C under C drive, and if you want to change the location, you can just click on the change and you can choose your own destination. But I am not going to change the path location, so I will just click on the next button. So now setup is ready for installation. Just wait for few minutes. Now you can see this is already installed, your Java SC development kit. Just click on close button. Now go to your start menu and click on setting. Now type environment. So once you type environment, so there are two things. You will get two options. The first one is edit environment variable for your account, and the second option is edit the system environment variable. You have to choose the first one. Click on the first one. Now you can see this is the page. So what you have to do, you have to go back to your folder. So let me go back to my Java folder. So click on this PC or computer. Click on C drive. Go to your program files. So you can see Java is there, the folder. So just open the Java folder. Click on JDK 1.8 folder. Just double click and you can see there is one more folder called bin. Just double click and just copy the path. Now you can see this screen we already open for our set from our setting. So what I am going to do, I am going to put my path here. So for that, what you can do, the very first thing, click on the open this user variable for admin and click on new. Now you can say just type Java in caps underscore home, and under the variable value just paste that path, but just you have to remove the remove from JDK 1.2 bin. So this is a path for your Java folder. Just click OK. Now just close it. Now again search variables. Click on the second option. So for some reason it's disabled. Again I am typing the variable. Click on the first option. Now click on environment. Okay. Now what you can do, under system variable, you just click on edit, or you can just select new and put path and paste the entire link. So this is for the bin directory under Java folder. Click OK, OK and OK. Now just open command prompt. Now the very first thing you can verify whether the Java is properly installed or not. Just type Java space hyphen version. So now you can see this Java version 1.8 already installed to your system, and another command you have to enter Java C. So C means compiler. If you are getting, after entering the Java C and enter hit button, then if you are getting lengthy message, that means Java is installed properly. So after typing Java C, I'm just enter the hit and I just hit the enter but keyword. Now you can see I'm getting lengthy message, that means Java is successfully installed to my system. Thank you for watching this video.